Question number 3. Prove by principle of mathematical induction for n belong to the n set of natural number 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to 2n upon n plus 1. Now let us suppose statement Pn is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2, 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n is equal to 2n upon n plus 1. Step 1, basic step. For n is equal to 1, P1 is take first term is equal to put n equal to 1, 2 into 1 upon n plus 1, which is 2 upon 2 is 1. Therefore P1, because 1 is equal to 1, therefore P1 is true. This is the first step. Second step is inductive step. Let us assume, we will assume Pn statement is true for n is equal to k, where k is some positive integer or k is some natural number. Now the statement become pk is equal to, because this is assumed, 1 plus 1 upon 2, 1 plus 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k is equal to 2k upon k plus 1. This is step number 2. Now we shall, in the step number 3, we shall prove Pn for n is equal to k plus 1. If all these 3 steps are true, then statement will be true for all values of n. Now the statement Pn becomes pk plus 1 is equal to, we will take k plus 1 terms, 1 plus 1 upon 2, this is second term, this is third term, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on. 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k. This is kth term, and k plus 1th term is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k plus 1. This is a k plus 1th term. Now by using the step number 2, the statement become, pk statement become, this is equal to, from this to this, by step 2, we will use here the step 2, 2k upon k plus 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k plus. These are the sum of the first k plus 1 natural number, and sum of the first k plus 1 natural number is k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 upon 2, because sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 upon 2 by arithmetic progression. Because this is a arithmetic progression, arithmetic series. Common difference is 1 and first term is 1 and total number of terms are n. So the formula becomes, the value becomes n into n plus 1 upon 2. Now we will use here n is k plus 1, here n is k plus 1, number of terms k plus 1. So k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 upon 2. Now solve this, 2k upon k plus 1 plus 1 upon k plus 1 into k plus 2, and 2 goes in the numerators. Now we can take out 2 upon k plus 1 common. 2 upon k plus 1 is common, so here left is k in this term, and the second term is 1 upon k plus 2, which is equal to 2 upon k plus 1 into this become k square plus 2k plus 1 upon k plus 2. Now k square plus 2k plus 1 is k plus 1 whole square. So this become 2 into k plus 1 whole square divided by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Now cancel this. We are left with 2 into k plus 1 divided. We will write k plus 2 as k plus 1 plus 1. Now compare this statement with the given statement, this Pn statement. Here n is equal to k plus 1. N is equal to k plus 1, and this is n is replaced by k plus 1. So the statement pk plus 1 is also true. Therefore by principle of mathematical induction, given statement Pn is true for all n belong to the set of natural numbers. Set of the natural number. This is the proof of this question number 3.